Hi everyone, welcome you all. Me Trideep and I am back with a new video. So today's video is a crafting video. So here you can see Gandhiji with his charkha. So this is my craft for Independence Day. To make this I used very simple materials. So here I used ice cream sticks which is easily available in market. This is mount board paper cutting, some thermocol pieces and colors and obviously glue. I think this is a very simple craft. If you want to make this, then please watch this video till the end. So this is my final work. How is it? Please comment below, and if you like this craft, then like, because your comments and likes inspire me for making more videos. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching and stay with me. Thank you.